yourself.
Hey guys, and what is up? Welcome back to my channel. I have not been in front of a camera like this with lights and the whole galore in so long, just because of Vlogmas. I've just been vlogging a lot on my little like vlog camera. I don't know where it's at, but I have not been in front of a camera like this in so long. This is so weird, but I kind of like it. But hopefully I can get back into the swing of things pretty quickly. So for today's video, I wanted to go ahead and give you last minute gift ideas. Christmas is literally so close. It's almost here. So I wanted to go ahead and give you like the extreme last minute planning guide to if you either procrastinated or you forgot about someone or someone gave you a gift and you're like, oh crap, now I have to go get you a gift. I am here to help you. And I really wanted to sort of keep in mind, like, this is the ultimate last minute gift guide. So all of this stuff except for maybe 2 things are super accessible and you could just literally go to your local mall and pick this stuff up. So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and hop right into it. So the first thing, let's start off with a good one. So the first thing that I would recommend is a candle. So my favorite scent, you can get this at Bath & Body Works. This is a cinnamon caramel swirl. This is my favorite scent in the entire world. It's super cheap and they smell amazing, and not one person I've ever met gets upset about getting a good smelling candle. The next one would be a pair of sweatpants. These are a pair of Champion sweatpants. They're pretty inexpensive, and what's nice about getting somebody sweatpants is, one, everyone loves sweatpants, and also you can't really go wrong with sizing. A fanny pack, although some people might not think that they are in trend, these are super in trend. You can get them at literally anywhere, and especially you can get one of these at like Rue 21 or Forever 21 for under $10. Leg warmers for the winter. A cute little jewelry box from Target. This one I love. Nicole, who's my best friend, she actually gifted this to me and I am obsessed with this, so I would definitely think this is an amazing idea to gift somebody else. I would be very cautious getting fragrances for either your significant other or for like your mom or your grandma, because you just have to be really careful with scents. Not everybody likes them, but I'm telling you, I'm not even kidding you, 8 other of my friends, we all have this and I love this stuff. So this is the Victoria's Secret Pure Seduction Fragrance Mist. The fact that so many of my friends has it and loves it, and I personally love it as well, I would definitely recommend this. My friend Nicole also got me this, and I just thought this was the most sweetest and most thoughtful thing ever. She took my favorite photo that I have of me and her, and she put it in a little snow globe. Like, this is so cute. Makeup brushes, a big 2019 calendar. Oh, for a hot second I thought this was upside down, but we're good. A sound machine. These are amazing and I would 10 out of 10 recommend it. This has changed my sleeping like forever, especially if you guys are in college or you have a friend that's in college. This will totally help with the noise from the other dorms or the other apartments. A super fuzzy hoodie. I love this. I got this for my roommate. I think she's going to die. You guys probably saw this in the behind the scenes of shopping for my giveaway, but yeah, I got this for her and I think that she's gonna die. It's so soft. I literally want this for myself. If you're running low on a budget and you just don't have a whole lot of money to spend on somebody, I would recommend getting some sort of travel size mug. They are very inexpensive and you can fill them up with candy and then boom, it's like a $5 gift. But if you want to spice it up, I'm actually going to be giving these to my coworkers and I'm going to be putting in gift cards with them, so it's not like a super cheap gift. Like, they're also going to be getting a gift card. Blankets, you can never go wrong with getting somebody a blanket. I'm actually getting my mom this. You guys actually, in some of my other videos, you might have seen that I was shopping to get my mom a like a chair. Basically, I caved, I got her a love sack, and then I'm also going to be giving her this blanket so she can curl up on her love sack with a cute little blanket. A travel makeup bag. The next one probably is not going to be super easily accessible, but I would 10 out of 10 recommend getting somebody this. So clearly it's empty, but this is the bag that my weighted blanket came in. I am obsessed with my weighted blanket. I think that it is the best thing ever, and if you can afford it, I would definitely recommend getting somebody it. You will have the best night's sleep in your entire life when you sleep with a weighted blanket. I have a few more items in here. So this is another thing that my friend Nicole actually got me and I just thought it was so cute. It's a cute little card holder and it comes with a strap. The next thing that I would say is a Bible. So the Bible that I use and that I am absolutely obsessed with is the Jesus Bible. It is this beautiful like teal color down here, but then the inside is pink. It is so cute, so girly, and I got mine for $25, which is pretty cheap. Another idea that you can give somebody is some sort of poster that also has a motivational quote. And this one says, if you can't stop thinking about it, don't stop working on it. And I love this too. So anything that has like a motivational quote, a tote bag, very similar to the other one, but I would recommend just a really fuzzy, furry coat. That was all of my gift ideas, especially if you're doing some serious last minute procrastination shopping. But I'm also going to dive into the giveaway. Woo! For the giveaway, I'm actually going to be going through it and showing you each item that I actually got. But then I also think that these are great last minute ideas to gift someone. I just bought this stuff very last minute. If I do say so myself, I'm usually a lot better at this stuff. I think these are great ideas for gifts, but it's also a really cute giveaway, so let's dive in. The first one is a hat. By the way, for the giveaway, I really wanted to stick to this color. I think that this is such a pretty color, and you know, like with winter and like all that stuff, I just feel like this is so cute. I got this from Sally's Beauty Salon. So this is a sleep mask and earplug set. So if you have a friend that travels a lot, that is a great idea. I also got a wall calendar, also in that like turquoise colors. A notebook that says explore, dream, and discover. I also included 3 different phone cases. They're all kind of like that turquoise color or like teal color or whatever you want to call it. And I also didn't know what size phone you guys had, so I got it for the 6, the 6S, the 7, and then I also have ones for the 6 Plus and the 7 Plus. Some fuzzy socks is a great idea to gift someone for Christmas. You can never go wrong with socks. I have never complained by getting fuzzy socks, and if anything, I just get so excited when I get them. Another cute little wallet. I thought that the one that Nicole got me, this one right here, was so cute that I wanted to go ahead and get another one for you guys. I also got this cute little change purse, but it's a panda. I also got you guys some fake glasses. Okay, these are really dirty, like hella dirty, and I'm going to clean these before I send them out to you, I promise. And the last thing that I got for you guys are these super cute face masks. I love these. Face masks is also a super easy gift, or even just like a little like stuffer. So I don't like to just give somebody one gift. I like to kind of make it a presentation. So I think putting in some face masks is a great idea to kind of like spice up your gift. So maybe you just got someone a sweater. You can like put the sweater in the box and then throw on top of it some face masks. And then that way it doesn't just look like, you know, they only got a sweater. You know what I mean? Anywho, that was my giveaway. If you guys want to know how you can be entered to win my giveaway, all you have to do is comment down below either telling me what you are doing for Christmas or what you did for Christmas. And also, if you don't celebrate Christmas, like what did you do for the holidays? I just want to make sure that I'm being very inclusive with everyone's beliefs and everyone's traditions and culture. So just let me know what you guys did for your holiday. And I think the deadline is probably going to be like January 5th. That gives you guys like 2 weeks to enter. I think that that's pretty reasonable, but definitely comment or definitely check in the description box the final deadline date, because I don't want to lie to you guys. But basically all you have to do is, like I said, comment down below letting me know what you guys did for the holidays. And that's all you have to do and you will be entered. I do want to let you guys know I will be checking to make sure that you actually follow the directions. Actually, for my last giveaway, I had a lot of issues with that, so just make sure that you're following all of the directions. And yeah, so there'll be more information in the description box if you want to go ahead and check that out. But as of right now, I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. I hope that you guys have a wonderful holiday, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace. Oh, I can't do that because this is really far away. There we go.